Namaste. Today we are going to speak about the 9th class IIT Foundation classes. In this 9th class IIT Foundation classes, we are going to speak about the kinematics. This is also called as one-dimensional motion. This is kinematics are also called as one-dimensional motion. Before going to speak about the kinematics, one-dimensional motion, there is some basic concepts are there. One is called the displacement. I am speaking about up to board part, textbook. This is up to textbook. Displacement, the shortest distance between two endpoints. Between two endpoints. This is the definition of the displacement. The shortest distance between the two endpoints is called the displacement, or the short route between the two endpoints. Supposed to be this is a one village A and this is another village the B. So there is a path between A to B. They constructed the one bridge. This is the bridge. So this is called the shortest route, while this is called the actual route. This is the shortcut, shortest route. This shortest route is called the displacement. It is all times a straight line which joins the end point and the two end points. What is the starting point A? What is the end point B? These two are joined by a straight line. That shortest route is called the displacement. Even though this is called the actual path followed by the body is called distance. Is called the distance. Now distance, this is the actual path followed by the body is called the distance. Shortest route followed by the body is called the displacement. Now what are the properties of displacement? Supposed to be, I will give you one or two examples to understand the concept of the displacement here. See the displacement, this is up to the board. While coming to this one, displacement is the shortest route. Displacement is may be positive or may be negative or may be 0. Displacement, this is the displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement, SI unit of displacement is meter. CGS unit of displacement is centimeter. Displacement is denoted by S. Displacement is denoted by S. Displacement is less than or equal to. Displacement less than or equal to. Okay, this point we will see at the end of the distance. So this is displacement is the shortest route. Displacement may be positive or may be negative or may be 0. Displacement is a vector quantity which has both magnitude and direction. Displacement of SI unit is meter, CGS unit is the centimeter. If you have an idea, its dimensional formula is equal to L. Length is the dimensional formula. This is about the displacement. Now we are going to come up with different examples to understand the concept of displacement. Supposed to be, first example here. So this is a body, which body is circulating in a radius of r. The radius of the r. This is the starting point. I am going to choose two more points. This is opposite point and let it be, this is the B. Suppose first example is a body started from A to B. A to B. Body should walk around the circumference of this circle. circumference of the circle, and exactly it reaches to exact opposite point of this is. That means starting point is A, ending point is the B. This is the line segment which is joining there. From A to O is called the radius. O to B is also called as the radius. So AB is equal, AB is the displacement. Displacement is equal to, displacement S is equal to AB. According to definition of the displacement, displacement is nothing but the line segment which joins the end points, that is A and B. So displacement AS is equal to AB, that you can represent A to O plus O to B. A to O plus O to B. AO is R, even OB is also R. The total is equal to 2R. This is the displacement. This is the displacement. Suppose to A to A, what is the displacement for A to A? So A to A to, example, displacement A to A. The starting point is A, again it reaches to the same point. Displacement S is equal to A to A is equal to 0. Starting point and ending point are the same. There is no changes in the position of the body. So displacement is equal to 0. Thank you very much.